Spaces in small homes or apartments can easily be maximized if we know the right tips and tricks to utilize the space. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. We cannot increase or decrease the size of our apartments according to our need, but there are always some tricks and solutions to make our home look bigger, create more storage space and make it feel happier. In today's video, I will be sharing a few tips and tricks with you all. So stay tuned for that. Also, this video is in association with Cambly Kids. So let's get started. In small apartments, single-purpose furniture should be avoided. Instead, always go for multi-purpose furniture pieces. According to our needs, we can use them in different places in our homes. And in that genre, my all-time favorite is bookshelves. They are so versatile. They add a great storage in the kitchen, in the living room, in the bedroom, in the kids' room, and where not. A bookshelf adds so much extra storage space in the kitchen. We can keep all our appliances in one place, or a great option for makeshift pantry and whatnot. According to the need, decide how many shelves you want and go vertical to maximize the space. To make a small apartment functional, understanding the need is very crucial. Our living room is not a formal one. Just like multifunctional storage, it is a multi-purposed space where we sit and watch TV, entertain our guests, I do my exercise and my daughter attends her class. This nesting round table is a great fit for our small living area. When we have guests and need extra surface, this small table can easily extend a helping hand, and when we need to use the space for online classes, we nest them together and manage to have a big space. The purpose of a kid's room is very versatile, which needs thoughtful thinking and adaptable implementation. Let's look at the basic necessities. They need a study table, a bookshelf, a bed, a wardrobe, drawers or cabinets to store toys, and a floor space to play. An apartment like this needs proper planning, and we understood it very early, and we planned the furniture in such a way that will solve the purpose. This trundle bed serves a great purpose when we have our friends at home or even guests. The design of the study table followed the pattern to match the furniture. It's in a carved shape so that when we pull the bed out, it is accommodated in this small space. The best part is, when not in use, it is always hidden and we can squeeze extra floor space in this small room. Another idea we have implemented to add more storage in a small room in the form of this headboard. It has a lot of storage space where I can store extra pillows or extra blankets and also save them from dust. If we are lacking the wall storage space in kids' study area, a glass top on the table will be a great solution where she can put her school routines, and in future she can keep a few motivational quotes, picture with friends and make it a happy place for her. Just like our kids' room where we are constantly planning to organize and make it function better, we also need to plan and nourish a few skills in our kids to be future ready. One such need is to have a good command over communication skills. A good command over language will help them to develop their body language, boost their confidence. They will be able to understand the art of effective communication, and they will respect others' opinion. Benefits are innumerable. I have opted for Cambly Kids where she can develop spoken English fluency. Our focus here is the interaction. In one-on-one lessons with a native tutor, she can interact, learn the correct pronunciation and recall faster than students who simply memorize.
This is not a trophy. Can you say trophy?
Trophy.
Very good. And this is not mill, it's mail.
Meal.
Very good. You got a star.
Those interaction sessions not only makes her confidence sky high but also helps make her feel comfortable to speak in front of people without any hesitation and overcome shyness. You have the luxury of selecting the day, the time and the tutor according to your convenience, anytime, anywhere. Cambly Kids courses are designed and standardized according to the academic English learning benchmarks. To know more, click on the links in the description box down below. This one is a DIY foldable shelf made out of a leftover wood piece. When we want to use it, just take it out, keep your tea or coffee, and after the use, fold it back to the wall. A perfect way to maximize space in our small homes. To maximize the square footage in a small apartment, always try to find walls which can be used as an extra storage space. This is our very teeny tiny utility area. Here is a small area on the wall where I can hang the daily used frying pans by using this hook rail. And by doing that, I can free up some cabinet space in the kitchen. We normally use the sides of the fridge. Similarly, we can use any sides of our appliances. Side of a dishwasher to squeeze out extra storage space is a great idea. To hang chopping boards, cleaning brushes or grocery bags, use the sides of the dishwasher. This side I store used duster which can be reused again out of the side, still easily accessible and functional. There is another space where we can store things to maximize space in our small apartment, and that is behind the furniture like bed or sofa or console table. I like to store big frames or foldable stuff to keep behind the bed or sofa where it is not at all visible. Over the time it might get dusty, so either dust them before you use them or pack them well and store. This is a multi-purpose cabinet where along with the other things I store vacuum cleaner and its attachments. Using this over-the-door basket, I am able to utilize that dead unused space and keep all the vacuum cleaner attachments. It helps me to maximize the space and make it functional, easy to take it out when I need and keep them back after use. Our small homes have rather very small balconies, small utilities where every inch matters. Rather having a cloth stand which occupies an area to dry our clothes, go for ceiling clotheslines. Once you pull the strings, everything is up and so much floor space will be available to work or walk. Another solution can be this retractable clothesline. This clothesline is great to squeeze out extra hanging space when needed, especially during the rainy season or in winter, and when not in use can be retracted to keep the looks of the balcony intact. It is a very important hack or tip is to keep up with small spaces. Small spaces attract clutter very easily. So be very vigilant and take immediate action. Contain the clutter with baskets and bins and always try to clear the surface after each use. A neat or clean home never looks small. Tried and tested method. Which storage hacks do you follow to make your small apartment work? Let me know in the comment section. There is a saying, your home is a living space, not storage space. By using these clever hacks and tips, we can definitely make our home a living space in spite of having all those storage. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and you people never subscribe. I don't know why. Please subscribe and please like the video. You don't like it? Okay. Also, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures, and life updates. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.